Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the graph editor on keyframes in CapCut PC. So if you want your keyframe animations to look less robotic and more professional, smooth and also cinematic, so the graph editor or curves in CapCut PC is the secret weapon for controlling the speed and also the flow of your movement. So first, I'm going to show you where to find the graph. So first, let's add the keyframe. So I'm going to add movement to the stickers in here. I'm going to add a keyframes here in a transform. And let's move the playhead here and add another keyframes. And I'm going to move the sticker to the bottom like this, so it will move just like that. And I'm going to add another keyframes and move it back up like this. So the stickers will be moved like this. Okay, now to find the graph editor, you can just right click in between the keyframes and here click on this option, show variable speed animations. So this is where you can set the graphs. Okay, if you want to use the preset, you can just click on the preset curves and choose one from here. For example, I'm going to go with the ease out like this. And if you want to close this one, you can just right click again and click on hide variable animations. Let's add another one to the next two keyframes. Just do the exact same things. And here I'm going to adjust so that you can see there are three options preset for actually linear, auto curve, or free curve. So I'm going to use the free curve in here. You can adjust or modify it just how you like it. Movement, and here you can also adjust the X, Y, and also rotate. So this is how it will look like now. And let's close this again. So that's how you can use the graph editor on keyframes in the CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.